Meet Quietum Plus. Packed with powerful ingredients, it works to ease ringing and support vibrant hearing naturally. Stay tuned to discover hope. What is Quietum Plus? Quietum Plus is a natural dietary supplement designed to support and enhance hearing health. Packed with plant-based ingredients and essential nutrients, it helps address common issues like tinnitus, hearing loss, and overall ear health. This formula works by improving blood flow to the ears, reducing oxidative stress, and supporting the auditory nerves. Quietum Plus is made in FDA-approved facilities, ensuring safety and quality. For those looking for a safe and natural way to care for their hearing, Quietum Plus offers an effective solution without the need for invasive treatments. Key benefits of Quietum Plus. Quietum Plus offers numerous benefits for individuals struggling with hearing-related issues. It promotes healthy ear function by reducing ringing, buzzing, or other tinnitus symptoms. Additionally, it supports auditory nerve health and improves inner ear circulation, ensuring long-term hearing care. Made with 100% natural ingredients, Quietum Plus is non-GMO, chemical-free, and safe for daily use. Many users report clearer sound perception, reduced discomfort, and better overall ear health after consistent use, making it a trusted choice for hearing support. How Quietum Plus works. The secret behind Quietum Plus lies in its powerful natural ingredients like yam, dong quai, and fenugreek. These components work together to repair damaged ear cells, reduce inflammation, and nourish auditory pathways. Quietum Plus also boosts blood flow to the cochlea, improving sound transmission and clarity. By tackling the root causes of hearing issues, it offers long-lasting relief. With just 2 capsules daily, this supplement fits easily into your routine, providing a simple and effective way to protect and enhance your hearing health. Don't wait to take control of your hearing health. Order Quietum Plus today and experience the peace of clear, natural hearing. Click the link below to claim your bottle now. Your journey to better hearing starts here.